I'm Will Johnson, head of the information services team at Morley College in London. And we're a college of 11,000 students, a lot more enrollments than that, but students and 600 odd staff members. We're based over 4 campuses throughout London. Happy to say that we actually were doing quite a lot of automation Morley prior to moving forward with FlowForma, but it was with some very old tools. So yeah, the previous tools that we're using was end of life, and it had been end of life for a little while. So we were really trying to find something equivalent. So we were using a tool called Nintex.
Okay.
I think they're still around, but also that was layered on top of Microsoft InfoPath, and that's the part that is very much end of life, is not supported. So we needed something that had the flexibility and extensibility of that system, but we also wanted to improve things. You know, we didn't want to just replace like with like. We'd customized this solution, I think, to within an inch of its life, I think it's fair to say. So we've done a lot of work on it. So finding a system like FlowForma that really had the customizability was really key for us. The biggest impact that we've had is this system has allowed us to much more easily make changes directly. So in the olden days, we'd have situations where a request would come in, and what it's doing in reality is sending an email to a team, nicely formatted to make the job easier, but fundamentally someone's going to go and do whatever was requested. But with this system, wherever it's possible, if it doesn't need some kind of approval step, and in that case you can still build that into the tool, it just goes and does it, because it can talk directly to systems. So that's been the really big win. It's been to just streamline the actual underlying process, so that in an ideal world a human doesn't have to look at it at all.